Last night's game, the second longest in World Series history, kept a lot of kids up past their bedtime. Major League Baseball tweeted this excuse note. Please excuse blank from work, school, general activities on Monday as they are emotionally recovering from Game 5 of the World Series. It continues. Postseason baseball is insane. That's basically all you need to know. Things are nuts and we all need the day off. Yours truly, Baseball Twitter. I think that we should print that up and use it ourselves, giving us permission to actually vacate the premises right now.
Exactly.